Hi, I'm Mafujo,
And this is Aditya.
and we will be testing the height of a ramp affecting the speed of an object. So this is how we're going to do it. First, we're going to drop a car from 150 centimeters all the way to the bottom. And then we'll be doing it from 120 and then from 90. So there's a 30 centimeter difference each time, which will give us the difference of speed in an object, or if it's the same, we'll find out. Stay tuned. So to do an experiment, you need materials. And I'll explain to you what materials you need. First, you need a stopwatch. If you have an iPod or something of that kind of nature, you'll be able to stopwatch and do that stuff. And then you need a pen or pencil to mark your 150, 120, and 90 centimeters, and to record your data. Then you'll need a paper, obviously. A matchbox car like this size that will fit this ramp, depending on what kind of ramp you have. The ramp should be at least 150 centimeters. That's like basic. And you'll need a ruler, and you need a partner to like the person that's videotaping you, right? Well, you guys need to know how to do the experiment. I basically explained it to you how to do it, like you're gonna drop it from there, all that stuff. But you need to record your data, and that's like main. And since we're doing it in 3 trials, you have to be pinpoint on your data. So when the stopwatch, you start it right after it goes down, and you stop it right there, and that's what we're trying to test. How this height of the ramp affects that speed of that object. So if it's that car, right, we want to know how fast that car is traveling. Now, if that car is traveling, let's say, 50 centimeters per second, right, we need to calculate that. And we'll know that 50 centimeters per second is the speed of the object because the distance was 50 centimeters and the time was 1 second, so you'll get that right away. So that's basically it for what you need to do. I already told you how to do it, and you got to do it in 3 trials. So the first one, you know how to do it. The second one, just do the same thing, and the third one, just do the same thing.
From the top, 150 centimeters. From 120 centimeters. From 90 centimeters.
We did trial number 1. We finished it. We recorded our data. Now we're going to do trial number 2. So from here, 150 centimeters. From 120 centimeters. From 90 centimeters.
We finished trials 1 and 2. This is trial 3. From 150 centimeters. From 120 centimeters. From 90 centimeters.
So the whole purpose for this video is for real life demonstrations and real life situations. So we're showing that from a ramp. Now consider this ramp in real life to be a hill. And consider these 150 centimeters to be 150 feet. And all the rest of them into feet. So 120 feet and 90 feet. And you're coming down. So you want to know how much that is affected from which place and it's affected and what gravitational push and all that is doing. So from here, the gravitational push is really high, right? From here it's not that high, and then from here it's not as much, but it's still high because you're 90 feet above instead of 0. So that's a big difference. So that's what we're trying to calculate. A lot of thanks from me and Aditya for watching our video and spending some time on it. Hopefully you liked it. Thanks.